Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my Plan With Me video. I'm Janelle with Sticker Mama, and guess what finally came? My new daily duo. So this will be my unboxing. If you are watching, I really appreciate it, as I know there's several videos out there already with everybody, but yes, so my planner finally came yesterday after patiently and not so patiently waiting. All right, so let's go ahead and open her up. So we have the newsletter with the 20% off coupon. So I was looking through some of these pages and I noticed all the new back to school items that are going to be coming out. The beaded storage box that matches the little coin purse that was available for launch as a gift. The seasonal surprise, the summer box, beautiful layers. That's beautiful. I love these little new productivity clips or binder clips. All right, and then of course on the back it talks about, looks like they're going to be partnering up with Hello Kitty soon, so that'll be fun for some new items. All right. A little welcome card. On the back of this, looks like I got my code for my second set of interchangeable covers. So you got to pick two, and then they gave you a code, which is on that card. So make sure you hang on to this. That's got the code on there for the free covers. It looks like mine expires on April 30th of 2021. So we have just about a year. So I did open this already, and I did notice, and I didn't clean mine, but you know, everybody has talked about this a lot already, about how dirty this little bag, clutch bag is. Yeah, it is, but I know it'll wipe up fine. I'm not too bothered by it. Not sure why, but anyway, it's a cute, cute bag. All right, so there's that. And then in addition to, I've got my duos. And I'm going to set these aside for a minute and I'll walk through those. But I was just going to go ahead and go through the rest of what I bought in my kit. So I did get a planny pack. Let's see. And I know now they have the layers one available too, but I'm okay with it. I really like this blue. Anyways, it's great. So it's going to be able to go over, slip this guy either through one cover or it'll go over, you know, the whole thing. Really like that. That's a new addition for me. I haven't had a planning pack before. I normally just keep everything in my folio. I just have to be careful there. That little guy got stuck in my zipper, the inside cloth, but super cute. Like it has even a little pocket in the back. I like the silver zipper, so very nice. Next, I did buy the interchangeable pen kit. I'm not one that normally uses Erin Condren pens or markers. I don't know why, just never have. Not because I didn't care for them, I just never bought them. So in the spring surprise box, they gave us a few of these. And I've been kind of using them. So I thought, you know what, why not? So I did get the interchangeable pen kit. It comes with 4 highlighters, 6 medium tips, 3 fine tips, and then 2 barrels. So you can do your own combination. So excited about those. I did get a pop socket too for my phone. Thought these were kind of cute. All right, and then because normally I'm a hourly, in past I've always had an hourly, and so my thoughts were I was going to maybe use this guy for my weekly view. So that was my plan. So I've never had one of these before. So this is called a Lux Weekly Schedule Pad. Let's see, so we have a vellum page, and then it's just tons of pages of a weekly view. So my thought was I'd kind of maybe stand it up like this. Both the front and back covers are hard. So on my desk, I would maybe just keep this where I would be able to keep a weekly view on hand, since it won't be in my daily duo anymore. So I think I like this. I do wish, however, no, I guess this is good.